Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to connect Ethernet cable to your TV. First of all, make sure that one end of Ethernet cable is connected to Wi-Fi router. See here, one end of this cable is connected to this Wi-Fi router and other end should be connected to the TV. So you have to find out Ethernet port in your TV. So here this is my TV and in the back side you can see the Ethernet port. Okay, so go to the back side of your TV and find out Ethernet port. So obviously this is the Ethernet port here. So you have to insert Ethernet cable, other end of the cable to your TV port here. Okay, yes, it is connected. Now your your TV will have the Ethernet connection. Okay, so if you have Wi-Fi internet in your Wi-Fi router, then your TV will also have internet connection. Okay, so in this way you can easily connect Ethernet cable to your TV. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.